this collection of LEDs. Let us see this. We have red, blue, yellow, green, and transparent type. Where is that? And then we have this one. This is lamp beads LED, usually used for flashlight. Lamp beads. The other one, so we have two lamp beads. Is there this one is negative and this one is positive. We're going to use an adjustable power supply to know the voltage rating of these lamp beads. I think this one is 3 volts and 1 watt. And let us see the color of these lamp beads. We're just using one. We're going to calibrate this nice power supply. This is the voltage and this one is the current. Voltage, current, fine-tuning course. Okay, let us first set this into at least 3 volts. Just now in 3.5 volts or at least 3 volts. Then we're going to short. This is the voltage now and then short. Let us now adjust the current. Let us adjust this to 1.2 ampere current limit. That is now the current, the voltage of 3.6, 3.7, and then with the current of 2 by shorting this terminal. When this is open, we have the voltage reading 3.7. If we're going to short that, 2.12 ampere. Okay, and now since we set the voltage and the current, let us go to the beads. The negative, I think this one is the positive. And this one is the negative. We can now adjust the voltage to know the voltage rating. So you can see here at 2 volts we have this LED 1.7 volts. So it's 2 volts because the color is red. And in the specs, it is 3 watts, but here it's just 0.24 watts. So we are not maximizing the power. And the LED must be 20 milliamps, the minimum, 16 amperes. So 1.7, so it is 0.28 watts, not 1 watt. If we're going to maximize this, at least 20 milliampere. 17. So still it can handle sa 2 volts. And 0.145 milliampere. So this is a power LED. Still it can operate up to 3 volts, but here we should say 2 volts. If we're going to maximize the voltage up to 3 volts, could be, but here it's just 1.98 volts with 0.167 milliampere, and the power is 0.333 watt. less than 1 watt. Now we have the power LED lamp beads circuit diagram. So this is the schematic or circuit diagram. So in the figure, we have this voltage supply, BS voltage supply. And since we are using adjustable voltage, so we need to have this symbol, B with an arrow. That is the symbol. And then for the LED, anode, cathode, red. This is power LED or lamp beads. In the documentation or in the specs, this LED is capable of a voltage supply of 3 volts. But here we're only using 1.98 volts using the variable supply. So we're not maximizing the voltage. In order to increase the lifespan of the LED. And then in the specs, it is the power is 1 watt. But in our 1.98 volt supply, okay, we are having a current of, once we adjust this to 1.98 volts, we have the current. So what is the current? Current flows from positive, then to the LED, then back to the ground or to the negative. This is conventional current flow, I. And the current is clockwise. Current flows in our supply is 168 milliampere. That is from the adjustable power supply, which means it is 0.168 ampere, equal to 168 milliampere, 0.168 ampere. That is the current according to the adjustable power supply, and it is capable of handling that current. In a regular LED, it supposedly it can only handle 20 milliamps regular, 20 milliamps maximum, but here it is capable of handling 168 milliampere because this is power LED lamp beads. Okay, or this 20 milliampere equivalent to 0.02 ampere. Then what is the power? From the specs, the power should be 1 watt. But here, using the variable, we just have the power equal to 0.333 watts. 0.333 watt. Power is equal to voltage times ampere. The voltage is 1.98 volts times the current of 0.168 ampere, and which is now equal to 0.333 watt voltage times current. So that is the power LED lamp. It can handle 168 milliampere of current and a voltage of 1.98 volts, approximately 2 volts, or approximately 2 volts, 1.98. I did not maximize the 3 volts because it can only shorten the lifespan of the LED. So we just use 2 volts or 1.98 volts. So that is the current, that is the voltage, 1.98, current 168 milliamps or 0.168 amps, and the power of 333. Oh, okay, you can say 333 milliwatt or equal to 0.333 watt. Okay.